Welcome to this lesson on apologizing in English. In this video, you will learn 3 essential ways to say sorry. These phrases are used every day in conversations. The 3 main expressions are, I'm sorry, I apologize, and please forgive me. By the end of this lesson, you will know when and how to use each one with confidence. Let me introduce you to the 3 main apology phrases we will focus on. First, we have I'm sorry. This is the most common and casual way to apologize. Second, we have I apologize. This is more formal and serious. Third, we have please forgive me. This is the most emotional and heartfelt way to ask for forgiveness. Each one is used in different situations, and understanding the difference is very important. I'm sorry is the most frequently used apology in English. It is simple, polite, and works in almost any situation. You can use it when you make a small mistake, when you need to be polite, or when you want to show that you care about someone's feelings. For example, if you forgot something or if you accidentally hurt someone, you would say I'm sorry. It shows regret and respect for the other person. I apologize is a more formal and serious way to say sorry. Use this phrase in professional situations, such as at work or in formal meetings. It is also used when the mistake is more serious. This phrase shows that you take responsibility for what you did wrong. For example, if you made an error at work that affected other people, you would say, I apologize. It demonstrates maturity and sincerity. Please forgive me is the most emotional and heartfelt apology. Use this phrase when you have hurt someone you care about deeply. This expression shows that you really regret your actions and you want their forgiveness. For example, if you said something hurtful to a close friend or family member, you would say, please forgive me. It is the strongest way to ask for forgiveness. Let us look at our first example. Person A says, I forgot your birthday yesterday. Person B responds by saying, I'm sorry, I feel terrible about it. In this situation, the speaker is admitting a mistake and using the casual apology I'm sorry to show genuine regret. This is the right phrase to use because the situation is personal but not extremely serious. Here is our second example. A colleague says, your report had some errors that delayed the project. The person responds by saying, I apologize for the mistakes. I will fix them immediately. In this professional situation, the speaker uses I apologize because it is a work environment and the mistake had consequences. It also shows they will take action to fix the problem. In our third example, a friend says, you hurt my feelings with what you said yesterday. The person responds by saying, please forgive me. I did not mean to hurt you. This is the most emotional situation. The speaker uses please forgive me because they want to repair a close relationship and show deep, sincere regret for their words. Now let us review what we have learned. Remember, I'm sorry is casual and commonly used in everyday situations. I apologize is more formal and used in professional settings or serious mistakes. Please forgive me is the most emotional and heartfelt apology, used when you really want to repair a relationship. Practice saying these phrases slowly and clearly. Use them when you need to apologize, and you will sound natural and respectful in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.